Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to set up Flutter in a system. So for that you just need to open any browser which you use, Mozilla, Chrome, Edge or Internet Explorer. Then just search for the Flutter install. Flutter install. So first link which you are seeing over here, Flutter.dev. So it's basically documentation done by Flutter. So it will show you how to set up a Flutter in your system. So first you need to select which operating system do you use. So Windows, Macintosh or Linux. So I have Windows, so I will select Windows over here. And first is showing all the system requirements which is required, like operating system. Operating system should be Windows 7 or later and 64-bit. Disk space should be 400 MB. And tools should be included like PowerShell 5.0, which is already installed in the Windows 10. And Git for Windows is required. Once you install it, after it, suppose any update comes, it will pull from the repository of the Git. So that's why it requires Git for Windows. So please install Git for Windows if you are using Windows 10, and please check if you have 400 MB of space. Then just press this, so it will give a prompt of downloading it. So just take it, and save this. But I will not be doing it because I already have it in my system. After that, you just need to unzip it and then place it into the local disk C src in Flutter. You just need to create one new folder in local disk C with the name of src and unzip the Flutter stable which you download from over here into this folder. Or you can clone the repository directly into the src system in the src folder basically. So you just see like that it has is Windows C, like Windows C is like basically my local disk C. You need to go into src, and in this I have placed the Flutter, the stable which I downloaded the SDK. Then after that you need to set the environment variable path. So for that you need to search environment variable. Yeah, edit the environment variable. You will have something option like that. Just press enter. Environment variables. Then over here in path you need to edit Microsoft Win. No, the system variables. Yeah, in this path you need to add like flutter src.bin, csrc flutter bin. You just need to add something like that. Place colon, then csrc flutter slash bin. Basically, is the path where we have placed a Flutter SDK. So after that, you need to download Android Studio and VS Code. Once you download it, you need to go into VS Code, go to extensions, and search for Dart and Flutter extensions. So in my system, Dart and Flutter extensions are already downloaded. So in this place, you will have the install button. Just install that, both Dart and Flutter. For Android Studio, you need to go to Files, Settings, then you need to select the plugins. Over here, you need to search Dart. In my system, it's already installed. That's why it's showing installed. You in your place, it will be showing something like this install. You need to just click on that. It will install directly. So once all of these things are done, just open command prompt cmd and run Flutter Doctor. If your Flutter is perfectly been set up in your system, it will show you all the text without any error. If there is any error, it will show you like what to do, how to fix it. Like suppose your Android license is not verified, it will show you which command to run. Then you need to accept the license. Then it will work. It will show you the tick. So anything, if you have any problem, just search for it. So it's basically showing like Flutter is properly installed. Android toolchain develop Android device is already perfectly installed with the version 29.0.2. The Android Studio has been perfectly installed. VS Code is perfectly installed. They show exclamation mark with the connected devices because there is no connected devices to my system right now. That's why. But Flutter has been successfully installed. Once I connect to it, any devices, it will show it take over here also. So with this, we are done with the Flutter installation. Thank you.